Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Modalyst marketplace products on Shopify, full guide step by step clearly. To activate Modalyst marketplace products on Shopify, start by logging into your Shopify admin panel. Next, navigate to the Apps section on the left-hand menu. In the Apps section, locate and select the Modalyst app from your installed applications. Once inside the Modalyst app, ensure you are connected to your Shopify store. If you haven't connected your store yet, follow the prompts to link your Shopify account with Modalyst. After linking, browse the Modalyst marketplace to find products you want to add to your store. When you find a product of interest, click on it to view more details. Review the product description, pricing, and other specifications to ensure it fits your store's theme. If you decide to add the product, click on the Add to Store button. You will be prompted to customize the product details such as titles, descriptions, and prices. Make any necessary adjustments to ensure the product aligns with your brand. Once you are satisfied with the changes, click on Save Product to finalize the addition. The product will now be listed in your Shopify store. To make it live, navigate to the Products section in your Shopify admin. Find the newly added product and click on it to edit. Ensure that the product's status is set to active for it to appear on your storefront. You may also want to configure the inventory and shipping settings to your preference. After confirming all details, click on Save again. Repeat this process for any additional products you wish to activate from Modalyst. Once done, visit your store's front end to verify that the new products are correctly displayed. Congratulations, your Modalyst marketplace products are now activated on Shopify. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmations. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.